All right, welcome back, Wicked World. Today we have a special video for y'all. This exhaust is more expensive than my car. I'm dead serious. I believe these retail around $15,000. We'll put a picture of it right here. This is from Gintani. I believe this part is titanium, the rest is stainless. Like this small part is definitely heavier than this entire part. So we got Adam getting the car on the lift, and we'll start rolling into the install. But first, let's see what these things look like. A Nick has appeared out of thin air. All right, first impressions on this exhaust system. These headers are insane. The collectors are billet. I've never even seen that before. Yeah, the workmanship on this exhaust is unmatched. This is insane. I am excited to see what this sounds like, and so yeah, let's roll to the install. All right, we are underway on the Gintani exhaust install. One more time, we gotta check out the welding and workmanship on these headers. Like,
so clean.
This is beautiful. The billet collectors, that blows my mind.
Adam approves too.
That is awesome. This is some next level shiznat. And I just realized we've had this upside down like the whole time. Oh. I think it's correct now. Yeah, it's correct now.
Oh, did we have it?
We had it upside down. But
there's valves in it?
Yep.
Go through it a little bit.
This has got to be the easiest headers exhaust install ever. What do you think?
Definitely.
Yeah. Like, look at this.
Porsche is one of the easiest.
Your header bolts are right there.
Yep.
The whole exhaust system is about
it's just right under it.
A few feet long.
Dang, bro. You literally just bolt it off and...
Yep. Yeah. They pretty much come right off. Just these are welded on now. They used to never be.
Oh, these are?
The clamps, so you can't really get it back around the top side of it.
It's also crazy how the whole bottom of this car is just
flat.
It's right there.
Yeah.
Huh. You impressed, Jack?
I am very impressed.
Have you seen the exhaust?
No, I've never seen on the other.
No, look.
Oh. Oh, wow.
Is this the most expensive exhaust you've ever installed?
How much is it?
About $15,500.
Nowhere near.
No? What's the most expensive exhaust you've installed?
I did a Capristo on a Venador a couple of times, and those are like close to 30.
Ooh.
That's headers, cat leads, muffler lead. They're expensive, no doubt.
That's like 2 of your cars.
That's like 4 of my cars.
Yeah.
Hey, could you imagine spending that much on exhaust?
You know how many 3rd gen 400s I could buy with that money? God.
Nothing up inside the coil cover shields. It usually gets really bad.
Yeah.
You know, doesn't look like they've had to change the oil yet.
Shit, you can
really?
see the German's fingerprints on this line.
Yeah, the heat shield's super clean.
Yeah, I mean there's nominal rubber on inside. Like,
oh yeah.
No grime, no road grime. Pretty good.
Change up some stuff.
Matt, these are a lot different than the Soul Cats.
Right
here.
Not really.
Not really?
They're still high flow cats.
You should work on the top of this then.
Oh, okay. For whatever reason, I love complex.
It's a total clown show to work on top of this.
Oh, it is?
Oh yeah, not as bad. Because dry sump cars put the oil
This
filter
is wet sump?
up here, yeah. The dry sump cars put the oil filter up here,
Bruh.
and you have like a compartment this big to get your hand down in there.
That's wild.
Shocked that Porsche would even build a GT3 that was wet sump.
The RSs are dry sump. The regular ones are wet sump.
Really?
They put a little tank.
Why is that surprising?
Well, now my brain is more wrinkly.
You got lots of hands here.
Just the ones that
I can give hands so everybody else can do what they need to do.
I'll do one side, no one. You guys ready?
Yes.
Slip right in there.
Don't be a butt cheek.
I like it.
Being a butt cheek.
I beat Adam?
Yeah.
Slim margin.
Gotta be quicker than that, Adam.
Hey, good job.
Tying them down, I'll get the thing up in there.
The mechanic hands are a little rusty.
Well,
Not worth $15,000. No.
we might have to twist it and stuff, so I don't know how we're gonna do it just yet. I'll put the tray back on there real quick.
They
and
might
then
get
see
off
how
the
it
hook.
fits.
They might.
I don't know. They forgot. We didn't get bolts and flanges and like. But par for the course, really, for aftermarket. That's just how it is. Very rarely do you ever get everything included in aftermarket parts.
True.
Imagine it just sounds like a giant fart.
Yeah.
Like a straight pipe Mustang.
Yeah.
Clean, get fingerprints off, and then I wipe it all down with WD. It doesn't work the same on the titanium, but the stainless will be gold.
I think that valve's open.
Dude, that sounded pretty.
That sounds freaking gnarly, dude.
That was sick. Ain't gonna lie.
I'm pretty critical of the 992s,
Yeah,
but
that sounds pretty cool.
yeah.